Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can remove credit or your debit card from your TikTok account. Now, I don't have any connected, so I can't really show you fully, but trust me, it is placed where it is. So you're just going to go to your profile on TikTok, select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, and you can see there's going to be a balance section under TikTok Studio. Then you'll see your estimated balance, your monetization, and your services here. If you go to the get coins or the balance section, there should be a place like on the top here. Not there. Well, it should be somewhere there or under the estimated balance, like a button, and you'll see like your debit card account. Then there's going to be like a delete button on the very bottom of your screen, and that is where you're going to basically select delete to remove your debit or credit card from your TikTok account. It is as simple as that. Unfortunately, again, I don't have any connected, but yeah, that is how you can remove your debit or credit card from your TikTok account. You can also like see in transactions and stuff, there's no buttons for that. I think it is in the estimated balance or the coins one. I don't think it's under monetization as well. So just find the one with your debit or credit card on your TikTok account, and there will be like a delete button. I just don't have any connected right now because I don't use a debit or credit card. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.